Welcome back, my diamonds. How are you guys doing? If you are new here, hi, welcome to the Diamond Squad. Like, comment, subscribe down below, and turn on that notification bell. Now, this job is a freelance job and freelancer job, and you can set your own hours, work as little or as much as you want to. It's flexible hours, and you get paid every Friday with PayPal or Pioneer. Now, this company is called Gold Transcript, and I will give you guys the rundown right now, the facts of this job. We pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs. Gold Transcription is a thriving web-based transcription and translation company. We're always looking to fill our open freelance translation jobs so we can grow our team and keep pace with customer orders. If you're a skilled transcriptionist who takes pride in your work and you want to make a difference in the world, we want you. And with this company, guys, with Gold Transcript, you don't have to have any type of experience. You can sign up. You can go ahead and fill out your application, and get started working with them as soon as possible. With this position, when you work as a freelancer, you are considered to be a 1099, not a 1040, not a W-2. You won't get any of that. You will get a 1099 form. When you do your taxes, you look to get a 1099 form once you become a transcriber as a freelance worker. So you will be paying your own taxes. So yeah, that's exactly what type of job this is. But you will be able to make your own set hours. You will work as much as little as you want with this company. And once again, the pay will be every Friday through only these two payments is with PayPal and with Pioneer. Now, as of this note right here, please note, buying and selling a Gold Transcript account is illegal. If you buy an account, you will lose money because we have implemented safeguards to prevent illegal account purchases. Therefore, they will send you an SMS with your cell phone number, the one that you use when we're filling out this application process, and they will verify and see if it's really you. Now, they have face photo during registration, and they will have real-time photo with verification code written on paper. Now, once again, this area right here will explain what your pay will be per audio or video minute. It's 60 cents per video or 60 cents per audio minute. And the average earnings per month will be $150, but it can go all the way up to the top monthly earnings could be $1,215 per month. So all you have to do is hit this apply button. I will place that link down in the description box below. And they have some more facts about the company. Do transcription jobs from home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Get paid reliably every week via PayPal for all work completed. And work flexible hours. Here we go. Work flexible hours. Work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. And receive great support. Our fantastic support team resolves issues promptly. Choose your own projects. Freely choose which jobs to work on. Grow your skills. Receive regular feedback and learn from the rest of the team. Now, enjoy work variety. Transcribe a police investigation one day and book research the next. And stay busy. We have a steady stream of projects waiting for you. Transcription jobs online. We get new transcribing jobs every day. You'll always have something to do and to work on. And these are the jobs that you can transcribe in. And these are frequently asked questions. What vacancies are available? We are currently only hiring for a transcriber position for this company. What are your payment methods? We pay via PayPal and Pioneer only. What is the payment rate? We pay for the job that's done by you. The average payment rate is 60 cents per minute of audio transcribed. When will we be paid? Well, when will I get paid? Payments are generally every Friday. How much do I have to work? as much or as little as you want whenever you want. This is a freelancer job. Do you hire worldwide? Yes, they do. Do I need to pay any fees? No. Do I have to upload any files myself? No. File upload sections are for clients. Do you take care of my taxes? No. This is a freelance job and all taxes are handled by yourself. Can I have multiple accounts on Go Transcription? That answer is no. This is against all our rules. All applicants submitted from the same IP are declined. Can I work with multiple languages? Yes. Can I use my phone for work? Yes, but we recommend using a laptop or PC to use our transcription tool efficiently. Do I need any equipment? Yes, your PC, other device, and a set of headphones. Can I use a foot pedal? Yes. Foot pedal is good for transcribing jobs as well. You can order one on Amazon.com, or there's a few other companies that do have foot pedals that you can do your research on Google. What is the application process for English transcribers? You have to sign up and register. You go to this link. You might be taken to the order form after this step. Ignore that and follow the steps described here. And the study guide for the Go transcript position are here. And the study samples that are in the guidelines are right there. Take the test. You have to go to this link right here to take the test and click on apply now and select your language. Which foreign languages are you hiring for and what is the application process? Sign up with this registration link right here to check if there's a test available for your language. Go here, you click, and then there'll be a list of which type of languages that they're hiring for, what tests they have for those type of languages that you're trying to hire for. Get hired for. I created a customer client account. What should I do? There are no separate client and client and employee accounts upon signing up. All accounts are the same, but you get to see the work section when you pass your test. Do I have to get all the questions in the quiz right? Yes, you do. I get the wrong answers error. Is that right? Yes, that means that the quiz is working as it should be, that there are no bugs or technical difficulties. It means that you've answered one or a few of the questions incorrectly and you have to retake the test. Can I choose multiple answers? Yes, some questions might have several correct answers and you have to mark all the correct options to pass. Why is the quality of the audio test so bad? We usually get great recordings, but we also work with files that are not as clear. We need to know you can handle those kinds of jobs using the guidelines you have studied. When and how will I get my test scores? We review both English and foreign language applicants manually, so it may take up to 30 to 60 days to get your results. Results are sent by your email. Check your spam folders too. You can also check your applicant's status from the test page. If you see an error message saying that we're checking your application, it means that it is still pending. If you see the audio field in your previous submission, it means that your application was declined and you can take the test again. If you're accepted, the error message will say you are a transcriber, you don't need to take the test. You will also get to see the work session when you're accepted. What is the minimum accuracy rate needed to pass? At least 95%. If I fail, can I take the test again? Yes, you can use the same account to take the test again. Do not create multiple accounts, as this will get your application declined automatically. So if you like this job, Go Transcript, as being a transcriber, you can apply here, and they also have a video that you can watch on YouTube, and you can click that and see what if you like this job as being a freelancer, as being a transcriber. Now, if you can, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and that is it for my video of the day. Stay focused, stay focused, stay focused. And the word of the day is I feel good, I am good, and that's that. And I will see you guys on the next video. Remember to stay focused. See you next time. All right, bye-bye.